Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. Who gave the slogan "Give me blood, I will give you freedom"? Your right answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C is your correct answer. Of these, who are not the Deputy Governor of RBI, Reserve Bank of India? Your right answer is V.K. Sharma. Option A is your correct answer. Dash is a process of energy production with the help of respiratory oxygen. Your right answer is aerobic. Option A is your correct answer. Sunil Chhetri is related to which sports or game? Your right answer is football. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following crop is not grass? Your right answer is almond. Option A is your correct answer. Who won men's single title at the 2018 US Open? Your right answer is Novak Djokovic. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following year has been declared by the United Nations as the International Year of Forest? Your right answer is 2011. Option C is your correct answer. As the droplets of water are said to be free of moisture, your right answer is rain. Option C is your correct answer. Which organization was replaced by the Planning Commission of India? Your right answer is Policy Commission. Option B is your correct answer. Which is the currency of Malaysia? Your right answer is Malaysian ringgit. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the National Management Institute NIBM located? Your right answer is Pune. Option C is your correct answer. What is the full form of KCL in electricity? Your right answer is Kirchhoff's stream rule. Option D is your correct answer. Which freedom fighter is popularly known as Lok Nayak? Your right answer is Jai Prakash Narayan. Option D is your correct answer. Has the President of India declared so far a financial emergency? Your right answer is never announced. Option A is your correct answer. When was the Lahore section held? Your right answer is 1929. Option B is your correct answer. Against which team did Sachin Tendulkar make his 100th international century? Your right answer is Bangladesh. Option C is your correct answer. In which of the following country is the St. George Park Stadium located? Your right answer is South Africa. Option B is your correct answer. What is the formula or plaster of Paris? Your right answer is CaSO4 half H2O. Option C is your correct answer. When was the Singh Sabha movement formed in Amritsar? Your right answer is 1873. Option C is your correct answer. On high temperature gas melt rock content located below the surface of the earth is called? Your right answer is magma. Option D is your correct answer. Which list of constitution gives the list of state and union territories? Your right answer is first schedule. Option D is your correct answer. Who was the leader of the Munda rebellion between 1875 to 1900? Your right answer is Birsa Munda. Option A is your correct answer. Who is the author of the drama Shakuntala? Your right answer is Kalidas. Option D is your correct answer. Asia Cup belongs to which of the following sports? Your right answer is cricket. Option B is your correct answer. Which of these is not a classical dance? Your right answer is Rasali. Option C is your correct answer. How much is the tenure of Chief Election Commissioner Office? Your right answer is 6 years. Option A is your correct answer. Where is the Sahara Desert located in the following countries or continents? Your right answer is North Africa. Option D is your correct answer. Which one of the following devotional sons have projected the philosophy of confirmation? Your right answer is Vallabhacharya. Option A is your correct answer. What is the mass of the moon? Your right answer is 7.347 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Option A is your correct answer. If question asked what is the mass of earth? Your right answer is 5.97219 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Which of the following languages has been declared as the official language of the government of India? Your right answer is Hindi. Option D is your correct answer. Prime Minister is the leader of the Dash. Your right answer is majority party in Lok Sabha. Option D is your correct answer. Mughal miniature painting reached its peak during the rule of Dash. Your right answer is Jahangir. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the first president of Rajya Sabha? Your right answer is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Option D is your correct answer. India has the office of President Office. Your right answer is 5 years. Option C is your correct answer. According to the 2011 census, which of the following state of India is the lowest sex ratio? Your right answer is Haryana. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the least densely populated place in the world? Your right answer is Greenland. Option B is your correct answer. The crops sown during the winter season are called dash crops. Your right answer is Rabi. Option B is your correct answer. Ukai Dam is located in dash. Your right answer is Gujarat. Option D is your correct answer. Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which of the following state? Your right answer is Nagaland. Option A is your correct answer. What is the expansion of ESIC? Your right answer is Employee State Insurance Corporation. Option B is your correct answer. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by dash. Your right answer is all members of the Lok Sabha. Option A is your correct answer. Sundarban National Park is located in dash. Your right answer is West Bengal. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is India's 29th state? Your right answer is Telangana. Option B is your correct answer. What is the formula for frequency? Your right answer is 1 by covered period. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the natural source of lactic acid? Your right answer is milk. Option D is your correct answer. What is the capital of Canada? Your right answer is Ottawa. Option D is your correct answer. Which is the capital of Punjab? Your right answer is Chandigarh. Option A is your correct answer. What is the nickname of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand? Your right answer is magician or wigward. Option D is your correct answer. The number of nominated members in Lok Sabha by the president. Your right answer is 2. Option A is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today's class, question of 50. What is the atomic number of helium? Your right answer is 2. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.